The recent languages and action of this government worry me. Me and many of other survivors have seen in our home country firsthand what happened when the rule of law is not upheld. We know what it's like when leaders use divisive languages and people are afraid to speak out because of the consequences. We cannot be afraid to push back on authoritarianism, where we see it rising, be that in the countries of our allies or at home. And I'm still proud to be in the UK, and I have high hope that we will continue our proud tradition of protection and compassion. Let us not be the generation who destroy this legacy. Thank you.